Hey editor, every editor wants to make more, but almost no one knows how to actually do it without burning out. They try to fix the problem with better tools, faster workflow, or new software, but those only change how you edit, not how you think about editing. The top 1% of editors approach every project differently. They see patterns most editors miss. They know exactly how to position their values so clients see them as partners, not just hands on a timeline. That's what creates consistent, high paying work. And the crazy part is, once you understand it, you can't unsee it. It changes how you approach every edit and every client. And soon, I'm opening up a short window to show you the system behind that mindset. It's the same framework I use to go from anxious freelance jobs to high ticket retainers, and the same one my students are using to earn 1 to 3K per edit. This isn't another editing tutorial, it's the shift that changes everything. Keep an eye on your inbox, you'll see what I mean soon. Y'all have a good one.